have my tripod and camera, and this is my iPhone. I'm recording on it. How I achieve this simplicity, how you can also create content, I will teach you that. But that's not the only thing I'm gonna talk about today. I am a filmmaker, I'm a singer. अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं. And also, I'm a designer. So it's very hard to create content, and procrastination is the best solution for me. And what I'm saying right now to camera, it's unscripted. It's what I'm talking from my heart. We are humans. We have imperfection. That's what makes us special. And every imperfection, that's a story. It takes me like 3 months to decide that I will start creating content.
I'm